Hey everyone, Fuseman coming at you today. As some of you have noticed, my last live stream has been taken down, so I wanted to make a quick video explaining that for you guys. And unfortunately, this situation's been eating up a lot of my time, so I didn't get a chance to make a video tutorial this week, so I apologize for that. So for background, last Saturday we did a live stream tutorial on how to build a swimming mechanic for VR. The next day, we received a Reddit message from user Cytic, the director of Cytic Games and Windlands. In it, he wrote, "Please desist the use of Windlands as a title for your video and remove any references to Windlands." As soon as we saw it, we did exactly that, and wrote back saying we meant no harm and we're just trying to spread the VR love. Funnily enough, someone in the comments of the video quickly pointed out that the name Windlands was gone from the title and our cover art. About a day passes and we don't hear anything, so I'm thinking everything's fine. We then get a message from him saying that he filed a YouTube report for copyright infringement. And the next thing I see is that the video's been taken down and I don't have the privilege of live streaming for the next 3 months. Now at this point, I'm thinking, what in the world did I do wrong and how did YouTube side with them? So after doing some research on the issues and going through YouTube's copyright school, yes, that's a thing, I learned 2 things. 1, YouTube's system is designed to alleviate all their legal responsibilities and put them on video creators like myself. And 2, educational content, which is what I do on YouTube, is generally extremely well protected under fair use. So that puts me in an interesting position. I know my video is perfectly legal, but how do I take down the notice and get my right to live stream back? For that, YouTube provides 2 options. So the first option is I can file a counterclaim and argue that my video falls under fair use, which it does. Then, in 10 to 14 business days, most likely after the next planned live stream, the video would be put back up. That sounds great, except for the fact that it doesn't protect me from getting sued, which from the messages I received, it sounded like the Windland devs were ready to send their lawyers after me. And sure, I'm confident I could win, but that's months of time and money that would be needed to fight this, something I don't exactly have nor care to pursue. Now the other option is to persuade the complainant to remove the report. Now that's easier said than done because they filed it for a reason. But if done successfully, it avoids a lawsuit and the waiting 10 to 14 business days for the complaint to be removed. So I figured I might as well give it a shot. So the first thing I send him is the long message you see on the screen. In summary, I basically explained that I'm protected under fair use and that a 2-hour stream can't compare to the amount of work that they've done in the last 3 years. Of course, I asked them to remove the claim. And then I get this response. I'm not going to criticize it, but I will say if the shoe was reversed, I'd be honored to have someone make a tribute to my game, or personally, if someone showed me how they went through one of my past live streams, especially if they gave me credit. So this left me pretty much with only one last plea to ask him to remove the report, provided I make the video private. He sends me this message. While it sounds scary, it's an invalid argument because he has no evidence whatsoever I harmed his ability to make a profit. In fact, I can bet that some people went out and bought Windlands to try it and see how it compares to the Unity version we made on stream. Like I said before, I never wanted to harm them for pursuing me, because I don't think that's good for the VR community. So while this video might look like it's attacking them, I'm purely making it to explain the situation and nothing more. Nevertheless, he did agree to remove the claim, so that ends this settlement. Where does that leave me? Well, for starters, this doesn't deter me one bit from making more tutorials. If anything, it's motivated me to do it more because I want to share that VR knowledge with everyone. And it helps overall to make more people create cool content and allow the medium to successfully grow. Unfortunately, what this means is that I can't make the recording of the stream publicly available unless I want to take the risk of going to court. So I apologize again to my audience that I can't share 40 lines of code with you guys, but at the end of the day, this is something I do for fun and to help benefit the VR community. And so I'd much rather continue making tutorials than fight any legal battle. I'm not a legal expert, so maybe there's something that could help out this situation. If you have any insights, please put them in the comments below. And if you have questions about this or anything else, feel free to reach out on Twitter, Facebook, or our website. But hopefully that clarifies the situation, and that's it for this week. This has been Fuseman, and I'm signing out.